Assalamu alaikum students and very good morning to all of you. Now today we will proceed with the explanation of the first chapter. Okay. Now after the completion of the successive magnification method, our next topic is four operation. Four operation of a real numbers. Okay. Now majority we will see all the four operations, that is the addition, the subtraction, the multiplication and the division, okay, of a real numbers. That means what? In a real number you can consider both, that is the rational as well as the irrational numbers. Understand or not? Okay. But generally all of you know familiar with the addition, multiplication and all the four operations of the rational numbers. Now here we will learn that how you can do all the four operations with the irrational numbers. Understand? Okay. So first of all, first thing is the addition. How you can add the irrational number given to you. Understand? Okay. So accordingly, I will explain you on the basis of the example. Okay. Suppose I want to add 2 root 3 plus 3 plus 7 root 3 plus minus 11. Okay. Suppose these two values means this is considered as a irrational number and this is also considered as an irrational number. Now if you want to add these two numbers, so how you can do the addition? Okay, so you have to add first of all these two values, that is these two irrational values, that is 2 root 3 plus 7 root 3. So 2 root 3 plus 7 root 3 in this way and then plus 3 minus 11 in this way. Okay. Now do the addition of this one. Now here just see here, please concentrate here. Root 3 that is same. Understand or not? So you don't have to do nothing with the root 3. You have to just add 7 and 2. So 7 plus 2, that will give you what? 9 root 3. In the same way 3 minus 11. Okay. So what will be the answer? Plus 3 minus 11. So the answer is how much? Minus 8. Okay. So in this way, this is the method to add two of the irrational numbers. Means अगर आपको दो irrational नंबर दिए गए हैं तो उसको किस तरह आपको ऐड करना है. अंडरस्टैंड? फर्स्ट ऑपरेशन completed. Okay. Now we'll proceed to the second operation, that is the subtraction. Second operation. Okay, that is the subtraction. That how you can subtract two of the given irrational number. Okay, I will take the example 7 root 5 plus 15 from subtract. 7 root 5 plus 15 from 2 root 5 minus 2. Here 2 of the value is given. What it is given to subtract 7 root 5 plus 15 from 2 root 5 minus 4. Okay. Now very much careful. Be careful here. Okay. जब आपको subtraction दिया जाता है तो आपको कौन सी value first लिखनी है और कौन सी value second लिखनी है. Understand or you must have to keep this in mind. ओके. तो देखो यहाँ क्या है, इसको इसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है तो पहले क्या लिखा जाएगा? दैट इज दिस वैल्यू, दैट इज 2 root 5 minus 4 minus. Okay. Now the first value. Why? Because it is subtracted from that value. So you have to write in the second. Now while writing, if there is the subtraction between these two type of the value, and while doing the subtraction, you have to write the second value or the second irrational number in a bracket. Okay. That is 7 root 5 plus 15 in this. Okay. Now 2 root 5 minus 4 minus 7 root 5 plus minus 15. Okay. Now take these two value with, okay, that is 2 root 5 minus 7 root 5 minus 4 and minus 15. So that will give you 2 minus 7, that is minus 5 root 5, and here it is minus 9. So in this way you have to do the subtraction. Isn't it very much important while doing the subtraction of these type of the value? अगर आपको इस टाइप के नंबर दिए गए और आपको subtraction करना है तो you must have to keep this in mind that while writing the second value, okay, उसको आपको ब्रैकेट में लिखना है. Why? What is the reason? क्यों? उसका रीजन क्या है कि सपोज यहाँ कोई साइन जो भी है वो अगर आप जब ब्रैकेट ओपन करोगे तो वो साइन क्या हो जाएगी, चेंज हो जाएगी. अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट? When there is the subtraction between both of the value. All of you understand or not? Okay. Now proceeding further for the multiplication. Now while doing the multiplication, okay, it's very easy, okay, but when the two numbers, okay, which are in the irrational form, okay, and how you can multiply both of them, okay. Suppose I am writing here 3 plus root 2 and multiply by it is 2 minus root 3. Now when these two multiplication is there, that means for one bracket multiply with the another bracket. Understand or not? So how you can do the multiplication? So while doing this type of the multiplication, okay, the first term of the bracket multiply with the whole bracket. Keep this in mind. Suppose here 2, so 2 will multiply with the first value and 2 will multiply with the second value. Understand or not? Here with the it is the same. That is root 3 will multiply with 3 and root 3 will multiply with how much? Root 2. Understand or not? So that is equals to, while doing the multiplication, 2 multiply with 3, so that is 3 multiply with 2. Understand or not? As well as 2 multiply with root 2. But what will be the sign between both of them? So here it is plus plus, so that will be what? Plus 2 multiply by root 2. Understand or not? Okay. Now the next one, root 3 will multiply with both of them. So root 3 multiply by 3. So now what will be the sign? So here it is minus and here it is plus. So plus minus minus 3 multiply by root 3. Understand or not? Okay. Now the next step. So here it is the same, plus minus. Okay. Why? Because these two values is going to be multiplied. So plus minus, that will give what? Minus. That is root 2 multiply by. Understand? Okay. Now just concentrate here. Okay. Simplification of both of the, as 3 2s are 6 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 root 3 minus. Now root 2 multiply by root 3. When this type of the multiplication is there, that means what? Both of the root value multiply with each other. So you can write it in this form. That is root of 2 multiply by 3. Understand or not? So you can write it in 6 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 root 3 and minus root 6. That is 2 3s are 6. So this is the final answer. Understand or not? Means when this type of the value is or this type of the number is given to you and when you have to do the multiplication between both of these numbers. So this is the method how to multiply it. Understand or not? Okay. Now suppose if there is the multiplication, okay, when suppose the number is given to you 3 plus root 2 and 3 minus root 2. Okay. So here we have to use the identity. That is a plus b and a minus b. Why? Because the terms in both of the bracket that is the same. दोनों ही bracket के अंदर जो terms है जो दोनों वो कैसी है same है. That means what? 3 and 3 and root 2 and only the sign is different. Here it is plus and here it is minus. Understand or not? So you all of you familiar with the identity. That is a plus b multiplied by a minus b, that will give you a square minus b square. Here you will use the same thing. Okay. I am writing here the identity, that is a plus b multiply by a minus b, that will give you a square minus b square. Understand or not? That means what? If I am comparing with both of this value with this one, so here 3 is considered as a and root 2 is considered as b. So what it is written? 3 plus root 2 multiply by 3 minus root 2. Okay, so that is equals to 3 square minus root 2 square. That is a square, that is 3 minus root 2, that is, okay, so 9 minus is equals to almost. Why? Because the square of the root value. देखो root value का अगर आप square करोगे तो square root और root square and square root both will cancel each other. तो जो अंदर number होगा root के अंदर होगा वही आंसर आएगा. So here it is. To understand or not? So in this way you have to use some of the identities. Understand or not? Okay. So here I am using one of the identity. Okay. That is a plus b multiplied by a minus b. That will give you what? A square minus b square. Understand or not, all of you? Now, as well as if you have to use some of the expansion, okay, when the square terms are given to you. Suppose I am writing here a plus b whole square. So you can write the expansion a square plus 2ab plus b square. Understand or not? Okay, so this is the expansion. Suppose if the number is given to you, that is the same 3 plus root 2 whole square. So you have to write 3 square plus 2 into 3 into root 2 plus root 2 square. So that will give 9 plus 2 3 is 6 root 2 plus 2 square, that is equal to how much? 2. So that is equal to 9 plus 2, that is 11 plus 6 root 2. So in this way, if there is the number is given to you, you have to find the square of this type of a irrational number. So you have to use these identity, that is a plus b whole square. Okay, the expansion you have to use. Okay, that is a plus b whole square. Expansion आपको use करना है. Understand or not? And another thing, you can use a minus b whole square also. Understand or not? Okay. Now we'll proceed for the division. The last operation, that is the division. Okay, now when the value is given to you in this way, suppose 2 root 7 divided by root 7. Okay, suppose you have to do the division like this one, that is 2 root 7 divided by root 7. So you can cancel root 7 and you have to write answer 2. Okay, so this is the simplest method in order to do the division when the irrational number is divided by the irrational number. Understand or not? You have to do the division in this way. Just now another example of the division is given here, that is 8 root 15 divided by 4 root 3. Okay, now how you can divide that 8 root 15 by 4 root 3? So you have to use the same method, that is 8 root 15 divided by 4 root 3. Understand? Now it is easy that you can cancel, that is 4 2s are 8. Okay, but what about this value, that is root 15 and root 3? So first of all you have to convert. Suppose 2 here and root 15, instead of root 15 can I write 5 multiplied by 3 in this way upon root 3. Understand or not? Okay, now 2, now root of 5 multiplied by 3 can be written as 2 multiplied by root 5 multiplied by root 3 in this way and divided by root 3. So here root 3 cancel, so the final answer is 2 root 5. Understand or not? So in this way you can divide the irrational number given to you, that is 8 root 15 divided by 4 root 3. Okay, there are various examples. Okay, you can take you can practice many of the examples in order to understand the multiplication of the irrational number. Understand or not? So in this way we have completed all the 4 operations, that is the addition, the subtraction, the multiplication and the division. Understand or not? Okay, so we have completed all the 4 operations. Okay, so please practice more and more. Okay, take some of the examples. Okay, in order to understand all the 4 operations, that is the addition, the subtraction, the multiplication, and the division. Okay, now the next method, how you can represent. Okay, the value given in this way, that is square root of 3.4 centimeter. Suppose I want to find this value on the number line, that is square root of 3.4 centimeter. Okay, so how you can find this value on the number line? Okay, this is the easiest way in order to find this value. Okay, what you have to do, that is the first step, that is what you have to add 1 with 3.4. Okay, so that will be what? 4.4 centimeter. Understand or not? Okay, now the next step, that is what? Draw a straight line. Understand? Okay, now take a 0 here. Okay, and from here, okay, from here measure how much? 4.4 centimeters. So I am measuring here from here to here. That is how much? From here to here, that is 4.4 centimeters. Okay, now next step, that what you have to do, you have to take the center of these two values. Suppose I am giving it the name A. Okay, अब आपको क्या करना है, O और A के exact center जो बनता है वहाँ आपको center create करना. So here I am taking a center, okay, which is at from here to here is 2.2 centimeter. Okay, 2.2 centimeter पर exactly आपको center मिलेगा. Understand or not? Now the next step, what you have to do, okay? In the next step, you have to take a rounder, put the pointed part of the rounder here and the pencil portion here and draw an arc in this way. आपको एक arc इस तरह draw करना है. Understand or not? Okay. Now the next step, that what you have to do, you have to take the value that is equal to how much? 3.4 centimeter from here. Means यहाँ से आपको कितना लेना है? 3.4 centimeter. Okay. Suppose I am taking from here up to here. It is how much? 3.4 centimeter. Okay. So exactly at the 3.4 centimeter, draw a straight line. Okay. So exactly from here to here, it is how much? 3.4 centimeter in this. Okay. The remaining portion is how much? 1 centimeter. Now next step, what you have to do, you have to take the rounder, you have to put the pointed part of the rounder here and the pencil portion here, and you have to draw an arc in this way. Okay, so these values which we are getting here for the intersection between the arc and the line, that value is called 3.4 centimeter. वो जो value आपको मिलेगी, that is square root of 3.4 centimeter. Understand or not? So this is the basic method in order to find the root of the decimal value, okay, on a number line. Understand or not? Okay, so on today we completed the explanation related to all the 4 operations with the irrational number, that is the real numbers, as well as how to draw the root of the decimal value on a number line. Understand or not? So that's all for today. Okay, so thank you very much and have a good day. Allah Hafiz to everyone.